Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is to clean out your dryer vent. We're continuing with, spring cleaning, and now is a great opportunity since the weather is getting better outside that you can clean out your dryer vent for both inside and outside the home without freezing your butt off. So what is the vent that I'm talking about? Well, we all know about your lint trap inside of your dryer, and in condos there's a second lint trap up top in the ceiling a lot of times. So you have to clean both of those out because if lint gets caught within those lines, it can cause a fire. Well, the same thing can happen with your dryer vent. What the dryer vent is a little hole that expels all of the hot air from the dryer outside. And a lot of times it's attached indoors by a hose. Now that hose, as well as the vent itself, can get caught up, can have a lot of buildup. And a lot of that buildup is caused by the lint. And if you don't clean that, again, a lot of it can accumulate and it could be a fire hazard. So what do we do to clean that out? So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is turn off your dryer, unplug it, move it out of the way, and disconnect that hose. You can probably vacuum out that hose, make sure it's all clean and clean it out. And when it comes to the vent itself, there's either a vent brush or you can use an air compressor. A lot of times the air compressors, you can rent them from Home Depot, but if you're not comfortable using that yourself, you can probably just hire somebody to do this maintenance for you. But anyway, if you want to do it yourself, yes, you can either use, there's a special brush as well as the air compressor. And you want to clean it from inside the property, and once you see that it's nice and clean and pushed to one side, go outside, and then you'll find your vent outside, and look, there's a flap, lift up the flap and do the same thing, clean it from the inside, and now using your air compressor. Now that flap should be automatically, when you lift it, when you let go, it should snap back down. If it doesn't snap back down, you gotta be careful because rodents can get inside your home. So also make sure that that is working. And again, I said this earlier, but if you're not comfortable doing this yourself, it's always a good idea just to call somebody. There's many of these services you can find online, and they're really not that expensive. And in the long run, if it saves you from burning down your home, it'll be worth it in the long run. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you have any tips for me you want for me to talk about on this forum, please let me know. Have a great day. Bye for now.